Dodge Journey 2012, 2014 and up. You have one and you're not getting trying to start it, nothing coming up. You think it's engine. In my case, I thought it was engine. I changed the engine. I'm still getting gas, but I wasn't getting no spark, nothing coming up. Try anything, guys, you won't believe, but I'm gonna tell you, change the fuel bus, change the fuel bus complete, and your car will start right up. I just did the same thing. I changed the engine, thinking my engine was bad. Changed the crank sensor, thinking it was bad. All this while, it was the fuel bus. Just went to, junkyard, get a used one, put in it, crank, start right up. Here you go, guys. Have any question? Let me know.